Foundation videos.
Getting started on your sketchbook with Special Agent Linda Wiebe.
Hello everyone, I am Linda Wiebe and I am an artist with the Foundation for Education, and I'm here in my studio today to share a project with you. It is something that I've just started and it's a sketchbook project. So I have this big book that's been hanging out in my studio for a while that I haven't used, and I've decided that I want to create a series of art inside a book. Now, if you don't have a sketchbook, you can use something like a notebook or collect pieces of paper within a binder, put hole punches in the sides and use a binder, or you could just tie your pages together later when you think you're done. Anything that you think would be suitable to draw and paint inside. Now, when you think of a sketchbook, often you think of somebody with a pencil drawing pictures of things that they see that they're interested in and trying to improve their drawing skills, which is one thing that you can do, and you can incorporate this into this project. But I'm an artist that likes to use all sorts of different materials, so when I'm making this sketchbook, I've decided that I want to use lots of different things every day, depending on what kind of mood I'm in. So the things I've chosen for this first page that I have in here, and I think I've shown it to you, but here it is. Things I've chosen for this page are paint brushes to go with the paint, of course. You could use your fingers too if that excites you. A pencil, a hole punch, an old piece of artwork that I am ready to honor in a new way by putting it into my sketchbook. I've got some scissors, I've got some water, and I've got a paint palette. It's just a margin container lid that works quite well as a palette. And also I have, because I'm somebody that likes to make things from things that I collect, either in the streets or maybe even at the beach. I also have these little found pieces that I found somewhere. Actually, I think I got those at Dollarama. But I look out for shapes that interest you that might just be hanging out in the gutters or along the sidewalk somewhere that have gotten rusted, and different shapes can be fun things to trace and to use. You might even just find them in a drawer somewhere at your house. Who knows? It's kind of exciting to see what comes up that becomes a kind of a new image in your work. So I am going to show you a video of my process just to get you inspired, but feel free to do whatever you like. If you're a writer, you may also want to incorporate writing into this. So you could write first and then paint, or once your painting is dried, this page is dried, and you're ready to move on to the next one, before you go, you can write on the dry pages. So incorporate anything that inspires you and anything that seems like it would be exciting and fun to try. Have fun and enjoy.